report from our senior crime reporter Malik Mohammad Imran. On the arrival of New Year, illegal firing and firecracker were surrounded. Crackdown by City Division Police. 16 suspects who fired the illegal shot from different places are arrested. 11 accused of selling alcohol were arrested. 154 liters of liquor were recovered. Shadbagh police arrested 15 suspects with illegal weapons in a crackdown. Mojigate police recovered firework butt flags from the possession of 4 suspects during the operation. Among the arrested accused, Imran Adil, Rozi Khan, and Azim, and another five accused from Shadra, 2 accused from Islampura, while 1 accused from each Ravi Road, Shadra Town, and Akbari Gate were arrested for illegal firing. Government police arrested 2 suspects during the operation. A huge amount of arms and firework recovered from the possession of the accused. Strict monitoring is done by reference to the anti-criminality cell by SP, City Captain retired Qazi Ali Reza.